channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some of my latest purchases that I have not got a chance to wear just yet. And I know that you ladies know that shoes are a girl's best friend. I absolutely love shoes. So I have a little bit of a addiction, I would say, a little bit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure y'all go and follow me over on Instagram, Darra TV. I will drop it right down below. Let's get into it. All right, so my first shoe I'm gonna show you guys. Is this cute little shoe. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the way it turned out, because you know, when you're ordering shoes online, you never know how it's gonna look in person. I love that it's the pointy toe, it's not uncomfortable, it's just a cute little classy stiletto heel. These I actually got from prettylittlething for, I believe it was 30 bucks. And they still have them because these things are recent. I just ordered them. I guess maybe they've had situations with the point falling off of heels. Well, it's nice to know they were thinking. My next shoe. And these are things for me, I wear sandals in the fall. Am I the only one, ladies? Another shoe I got was this cute little patent leather pump. I felt like you could wear it with anything. It's a nude, but it's not a light nude, and that's always what I'm here for. I'm always looking for the darker nudes. Also, it's the perfect shoe to wear to work. It's not uncomfortable. Just something cute and classy to add to the work mix. And these you can actually wear all year round. I mean, it's patent leather, but you know. Okay. Let's see, I opened them, but I haven't. Wait a minute. Thigh-high boots, my favorite. See, it's the stiletto heel, pointy toe. Once again, I like the pointy toe. This is how these are ripped now. Y'all know I'm short. So this is gonna be really, really cute. You can never have too many. You can never have it like almost every year or every other year. I'm always looking for more thigh highs. And these, how much were these? I think these were $70. I paid $70 for them. They were on sale actually, and they came from Steve Madden. I like them though. You could wear it with anything. Jeans, you could wear them with a skirt, you could wear them with everything. Like, who doesn't love thigh highs? What else do we have over here? Oh, these I got from Aldo. Bam! Cute little python heel, comfortable. That was what really got me, was that it was comfortable. I will say I'm not a big python person, because I feel like python is one of those prints that it comes and it goes back and forth, and I like to buy things that are kind of neutral, that I can always maybe get some wear out of. But I did love the cut of the shoe. You see it's open on the side, and it's really cute on, as you can see. And these were actually on sale, so that's always good. I think I paid, let me see, here's the receipt. How much did I end up paying? So I ended up paying $30 for these. Good deal, right? Those are gonna also be cute for work, because I need comfortable shoes for work. Those and the new ones would be cute. And also, I don't know if I showed you all these, but I'm just gonna show you again if I haven't, because I never wore them before. These little lace ups I found at Pretty Little Thing. Paid $27.99 for these. Very cute, up the leg. I love them. But sometimes I find it hard to walk in stiletto heels that are made like this. That I don't know what it is about them. It's like there's no support on the heel, so my heel, the way my foot is made, it sits kind of to the side. Well, I'm just gonna show you all. You see how it just sits on the side? Yeah, but I still love the shoe. I'm still gonna wear the shoe, so. Walk right out of your life in these. And last but not least, so I'm not a big tennis shoe girl, really. I'm not. I used to be, but then somehow I got out of that phase and I was just heels, 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 heels. So lately, like, I want to say the only shoes I have some black Pumas that I mainly wear to run errands because they're so comfortable and I work out in them. And then I have like some hot pink Adidas that I just wear if I'm just running out somewhere. But I don't really get dressed up anymore with my sneaks. You know how back in the day we used to have our J's and our Nikes? Well, we still have that today. I just grew out of it. However, I was looking for a cute tennis shoe that would go with Darra and Darra's personality, and I came across these. These are actually Adidas. So a lot of people know I love gold, but this time I was looking for something that was crisp and white. And this is, let me take this out of here. This is what I came up with, y'all. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I love it. I love it. This is my new favorite shoe. Out of all of the shoes that I just got, these, I never thought I would be saying that a flat was my favorite shoe. But I love them. I can't wait to wear them. They're white. Got that gold on the side so I can wear it with a lot, because I'm more of a gold accent person than a silver accent person. So, what's that for me? Oh. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, okay, where's the $7,000 worth of shoes? Well, major click. I'm so silly. No, y'all know your girl is about her deals. Always. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you have any other video suggestions, or you can also DM me over at Instagram at DarraCherieTV. Thank y'all so much for coming back to tune into my video. See you next time, D-Team. Bye-bye.
Baby, I gave you chance after chances. You act like I'm too hard to manage, but you the one lit like a